Greetings, class. I just wanted to take a few minutes to review the syllabus. Hopefully, you had an opportunity to listen to the orientation overview video. This is Nursing 653. Please do take some time to review the course syllabus. The prerequisite is Nursing 500. The aggregate outcomes that are listed here on the syllabus are the program outcomes. With regards to the student learning outcomes identified here are those that are relative to this course. You should be familiar with the student expectations, the McKendree University mission statement, the academic honesty, as well as the ADA policy. If you have any questions or concerns, or if you should need accommodations of some level, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. With regards to the evaluation methods, as I mentioned in the orientation video, there are 5 assignments in this course, and then an additional evaluation method does include the discussion participation. The population-based presentation, which is due at the end of the term, is worth 40% of your grade. The organizing for change assignments, now this consists of 4 small assignments. Recall I stated there were 5 assignments in total. The organizing for change assignments consists of 4 smaller assignments. And then your 5th assignment, of course, is the presentation listed above. Discussion participation is worth 20%. There will be more information shared about each of the assignments as we move forward within the course. We have discussed the required textbooks. Let's go ahead and take a look at the calendar. As I mentioned in the orientation video, this is a 16-week course, but it is divided into 4 modules. So what that means is that many of the modules, or all of the modules, will run over several weeks. And it does vary. For example, this first module, Module 1, will run over 5 weeks. And when we look at Module 1, there will be 4 discussion boards, but each of those take place one after another. So we don't have 4 discussions in 1 week. So for example, this first week, which runs from August 21st to August 26th, I would like to see you respond to the discussion board prompt on or before Wednesday, August 23rd at 11:59 p.m. and then respond to 2 peers posts prior to Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Our discussions do typically run from Sunday at 12:01 a.m. through Saturday at 11:59 p.m. We are starting one day late, of course, because classes don't start until Monday. So if you need extra time with that initial discussion board post, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and just let me know that you need another day or so. You'll see that discussion board 2 then picks up on Sunday, August 27th, where your initial post is due by Wednesday, August 30th, and then your responses to your peers in discussion module 2 are due by Saturday, September 2nd. So again, each week does run from Sunday to Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Most typically, your response to the discussion board should occur on or before Wednesday, and then your responses to your peers should occur before Saturday at 11:59 p.m. With regards to your assignments, it is often the case when there is an assignment due that you will not have discussion for that particular week. When we look at Module 2, there are 3 discussion boards across Module 2. that come one right after another. There is also an assignment that is due. And again, when we look here at the calendar, the week in which there is an assignment due, there is no discussion. That may not always be the case, but I certainly tried. When we move to Module 3, we will have discussion 8 and discussion board 9. And then when we move to Module 4, discussion board 10. Module 4 is probably our shortest module that runs just over 2 to 3 weeks. So please do take some time to review the course calendar. Most typically, assignments will be due on Wednesday, again, and that's when your initial discussion board post is due. That sometimes if you experience an issue, if you need an extension, please let me know. Please do not hesitate to reach out. I don't know if there's something going on unless you let me know. Please note, with regards to the discussion board, you are required to integrate a scholarly source or citation into your response to the discussion board prompt. Scholarly citations to support the text are not necessary for your responses to your peers, but you certainly may do so. Just please do remember to cite with APA style, and there are resources available to you in Brightspace. If you should have any questions with regards to the syllabus or the calendar, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you.